Sanibonani bafowethu, ulumkile lona bafowethu. Njengoba sisaqhubeka bafowethu sisabheka ke ama-feature bafowethu ale weekend. Asike sibheke laphana ke bafowethu iGolden Arrows versus iChippa United. Kuyigame ke bafowethu elaphana eKing Zwelithini Stadium. Kwelika Banana laphana eThekwini bafowethu eMlazi. Bayazi ke abantu abaningi bafowethu ukuthi iGolden Arrows isisebenzisa kakhulu bafowethu lesa stadium as ama home game ayo. Ekuyigame bafethu ezoqhwiza umentshisi ke leyana njoba siyazi bafethu ukuthi iGolden Arrows iyiteam nayo bafethu eperformayo and they also qualified even for iMTN 8 la so babona khona beyodlala neKaizer Chiefs. So leya game ingathanda nayo ukuthi iGolden Arrows iqale isizini bafethu on a good note. Iqale nje isizini ikwispirit nayo bafethu esiphezulu sokuwina and futhi bayafuna ke nanokucompete laphana even for iMTN 8. iChippa ke nayo siyibonile bafethu yenza ama moves la ibuyise khona ngisho Goodman Mosele lapha kuma signing noma kukhona amanye ama players ewadedelile but njengamanje nayo ibukeka iyiteam bafethu ready kakhulu for ipreseason because idlale kahle nakulama cup lawa kade ekhona lawa suke organizwe ama premier bafethu maqala isizini. Siyibonile laphana ke idlala even la kade khona ngisho oMthatha Bucks bafethu sasibagcine nini nje ama team esikade sawagcina because kusuke most of the time lama game aya ngawa ama province ukuthi province ne province sibabonile ke laphana nabo ukuthi badlale kahle kakhulu. So igame nje between bafethu iChippa neGolden Arrows kuhlezi kwama game interesting, yabona kuhlezi kwama game interesting because as much as iArrows asingathi ine edge over iChippa United but iya compete na iChippa every time when they are facing iArrows. Siyazi ukuthi iArrows laphana iluze ngisho uNdlovu bafowethu ohambile waya laphana kwiMamelodi Sundowns and sekuphinde kwavela neminye imbuko futhi ethi even ngisho uSise bafowethu naye ubheke lena eBelgium and siyazi ukuthi ishiwe na umanqoba mnqithi laphana iGolden Arrows lana esibone khona kufika ucoach obecoacha iDurban City bafowethu esimbone selaphana ngoba iDurban City replace yathatha ucoach lona omunye kade eco-coach laphana kweKaizer Chiefs. So le game bafethu mina I'm expecting a lot of goals kuyona ngiyawabona nje lama team bafethu ekora omabili because nayo iArrows as much as isheshe yaphuma nayo kwiPremiers Cup but iArrows they still have ama quality players bafethu. So nje leya game ngiyawabona ama goal laphana but ngingayinika ke laphana bafethu mina iArrows ngiyibona nje idlula neArrows mhlambe noma ngathiwa u3-1 score ngiyababona bafethu beyishaya iChippa United because kuyasebenza futhi ukuthi usekhaya nibafethu noma ukho ekhaya. Ngiyacela ke bafethu ukuthi nje ni subscribe bafethu kwi channel niqhubeke bafethu ni like ni comment ni share nje even nanabanye bafethu abangani bayinu. Hopefully ke I will also get bafethu ukuthi ngeke ngihlale nanabanye benu ke nje kanje bafethu sike nje sikhulume everything football bafethu because siyalithanda phela ibhola.